What's going on? Welcome back to Teck's Talking Shop, and oh, I should introduce myself. If you didn't recognize the green cutting mat, it's Key built it, and yeah, I'm kicking off the video series for Teck's Talking Shop. So, this video series, we're doing what each of us carry every day, and I'm pretty sure I carry the most stuff out of everyone on here. So we'll roll right into it. First thing, obviously, I still like to watch, so there's that. Phone, filming on that. Good pocket knife. This one is a Kershaw. It has served me well for many years. It's been in salt water several times. It's fallen off a roof. It's been ran over twice. All kinds of stuff. Next thing is wallet. No, a must. Pick set. I can open out pick set. A very complete one. Keys, which I'm trying not to show too many of. We'll fold them under the carabiner. On the keyring, I also have a small set of tools. Small Leatherman. This one is the Stylus CS. These tweezers are actually really nice. Pulling out metal slivers and things. Got another set of tweezers. Nail clipper. I just have that piece of shrink tube so it doesn't come apart or get caught in anything in my pocket. Next thing you'll see on my belt is usually these two things. This is my O-Light. It's a bit dusty at the moment. M2I Pro wire and a little bit of magnetic goo on the back. This thing is ridiculously bright. I mean, I don't know why I felt maybe, but lots of different things. Really, really nice light and a super, super cool charger that was up here a minute ago. Yeah, pocket clip, all kinds of stuff. I just keep in the belt sheath. One, it's convenient to carry that way, and two, it protects the light. So there's that. Also, always fun with my Leatherman Wave. Also, so very well for many years. Leatherman products are made in USA, by the way. I also carry with me the bit kit, because why not? The next set of things you'll find my pocket, my t-shirt pocket, well, my work shirt pocket, usually looks something like this. No, I don't like orange. That's what happened. Everything happened to be. So, pocket screwdriver, snap-on, there's a part number. I also have the one with the magnet, but I tend to roll with this one. Magnet, Mac Tools MP15. So it's the extendable magnets, decently strong. One thing I will say is the pocket clip leaves a lot to be desired. It bends out about every other day. Pen, just a regular. Woo. Hello, autofocus. There you are. Just regular ballpoint pen. Or 3. I like this one. This one's a Paper Ink Choice stylus. So, use a stylus and more, on the scan tool. Dirty fingers, you don't want to mess up your scan tool. With my phone. And that's also a pen. Milwaukee Inksol. Great marker. Has the little no roll thing, doesn't roll off. And then, as if I need another light, my Streamlight Stylus Pro that has been through the washing machine about 4 times. And, dropped in engine bays. All kinds of stuff. It's been a really good light. It's about time for a new set of batteries in it. Okay, in my other shirt pocket, I'll find set earplugs. These are Moldex. Not sure exactly which ones these are. But I like the style. I'll pull them out here. They have the cord. They have a little vent if you're in a low noise area, which I always keep closed because if I need them, it's loud. So I carry those in my little pouch. Right there, which the little case is on its way. It's been sat on all kinds of things. Also, I carry my JLab wireless earbuds, which, yeah, they're about dead. But, the hinge doesn't actually stay open anymore. It stays closed, which is nice. Just my wireless Bluetooth earbuds. I would pull them out, but then my phone would try and connect to Bluetooth, and you'd lose all my audio and all that fun stuff. So, we're not going to do that. The other thing I'll carry in my pocket sometimes is a tire pressure gauge. It lives in my pocket sometimes it doesn't. And my phone lives on my belt in a phone, flip out phone case like this. This one needs to be replaced. But, yeah, that's my video. So, I don't know who's up next, but I know it's going to be an awesome video. So, make sure you check out the upcoming videos from the other members of Teck's Talking Shop. Follow us on Instagram, here on YouTube. Follow everyone who's part of it. PowerStroke Jude, Nuts and Bolts with Tone, Techman Training, Turbo TyTy, One Mechanic, Princess Jamie, the list goes on. So, be sure to follow everyone, both on Instagram and here on YouTube, and we'll catch you in the next video.